Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the ST, and actually it's going to be a really quick video. I just really wanted to get this out there. First of all, I'm really excited actually about this. It's been a long time coming. It's something I've wanted to do pretty much since I got the car, since my very first episode on discussing what I want to do with it. And eventually what I've actually done is basically bought something that I can't afford yet, so I've had to sort of do a little 3 monthly finance on it. And initially I was hoping to maybe go out, go to some of these places and sort of look at these sort of with you and get your opinions and stuff. But with obviously COVID and places not being open, that's just not happened. But anyway, I wanted to keep this video quick. It's to do with the wheels. I've eventually bought myself, I've done a lot of research and bought myself a new set of alloys, not just alloys, also full new set of tyres and the wheel nuts. So it's going to be a whole new setup on the car. Now I'm going to let you do a little bit of a guess on them, but I will give you some specs to what to expect. And basically I'm recording this on, what is it now, Tuesday or Wednesday? God, I've got my days mixed up, I can't remember if it's Tuesday or Wednesday. But basically this Saturday coming up, I'm probably going to upload this video on Thursday, but on the Saturday I'm going to be getting these wheels fitted. So can't wait for this, really can't. But yeah, what they're going to be is these are as standard. If you know these cars, they're 17s by 7 on, I think it's it's 205 by 40 tyre. My new setup is going to be a 16 by 7, so I'm going down an inch. I'm keeping the 205, but I'm going to a 45. Now, a lot of companies will actually advise when you go into a 16 is to do a 195 45. But a lot of people on the forums, and I understand this, that basically to keep that kind of more fatter tyre look. So otherwise, if you go to a 195, it kind of looks like a bit of a stretch tyre look, and I don't like that. And the car's not stupidly low or anything like that, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I don't have any issues, sticking with a 205 by obviously a 45 tyre on the 16. So supposedly, it reduces weight. It's supposed to help with a little bit of help with obviously sort of getting the power down, acceleration. There's going to be, I'm hoping, a couple of kilos maybe reduction on each corner. It's supposed to handle a little bit better. Supposedly there's a lot of positives with going from the standard 17s down to a 16. So really excited about that. Hopefully the setup should be nice. What I would like you to do is in the comments below, if you can comment with, obviously the specs, so if you do a little bit of research, you can probably check and see what you can get as a 16 by 7, because believe it or not, there's not a lot of choice out there for a 16 by 7. There's a lot, you can get other ones like 16 by 6.5, but I didn't want to go narrower. Have a guess on what the colour's going to be, what the finish is going to be, the style of wheel. Have I gone for like chunky? Have I gone for multi-spokes? Have I gone for something really weird? Have I gone for gold or white or silver or black? Let me know in the comments below what you think I've gone for, the colour, the finish and the style. That'd be really cool. But I'll probably go in a little bit more detail and show you them once they are fitted, because I'm sure I'm definitely going to do a video on that, because I'm hoping the car is going to look mint when it's done. I definitely think it's going to give me that look that I'm going for with the car. So yeah, I've probably not kept this video as short as I wanted to. I just wanted to get it out there. So anyway, let's just leave the video at that, and hopefully I've got something a bit more exciting to show you in the next video. Thanks all for watching. Bye.